Alright guys, so today we're at Settlers Ridge and we're looking for the waterfalls. There's waterfalls I've been told about here. I've been trying to find them for a while now. I think I'm getting closer and hopefully we find them today. Later today, if everything goes well, me and the Cyclone will be going to have a fire later tonight. Alright, we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. Well, I say we're on the right path. It says waterfall. There should be a waterfall. You ever wonder what the song of Chasing Waterfalls is about? Yeah, I haven't either. But what I do know is that there are waterfalls in this episode. Stay tuned. So at this point, I believe we're following the green blazes. Which looks like I need to figure that out pretty quick here with the T intersection here. Oh, there's a sign. I guess I don't need to figure it out then. Can't get much more obvious than that. I'm guessing that this trail is not that long. I don't know for sure though. I tell you what though, the weather is really weird today. Like it is warm, it is hot. Like wearing this flannel is way too hot. But then the wind will pick up and it's cold. And it's just like, it was actually so windy a couple times, and you'll even see in the video from the action camera, especially like as I was getting off the highway, a large gust of wind actually blew me into a ditch there on the side of the road. It grabbed the vehicle and stuff. Oh well. It is what it is. I see a creek down there. I guess I used to be a trail back a long time ago that's closed. I don't know why they closed it. I mean, I can assume or make assumptions, but my guess would be just too many trees fell down, and that's probably why they closed it. Oh, check this out. I saw pictures of this on the internet, and yeah, it's actually nicer in real life. Well, I'll be honest, as you can tell on the other camera, this trail keeps going. I'm not even sure what the name of this trail is at the moment. I think our goal was to find the waterfalls. We found the waterfalls. We should turn around and go back and enjoy them for a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and head on out. Alright? So there's currently a family and a few other people up at the waterfalls right now. I'm going to hang back here for a little bit and see if it thins out so I can actually shoot a quick little video up there. And I was hoping to try and shoot a photo for my thumbnail up there. We'll see how it goes. So unfortunately, because of all the people that were down there, they kept coming and going, and there was a father with a son. I did my best to shoot my pictures and videos around them, because, I mean, be respectful of them. Here, I'm going to show you this real quick. Anyway, I couldn't actually capture the footage and the pictures I really wanted, But I got some good stuff. I think you guys would like it. I mean, by now you guys have already seen it. If you like this kind of content, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. Especially while I'm huffing and puffing going up this big hill now. It's easy coming down. I'll bring you guys back if anything interesting happens. Oh, by the way, while I'm thinking of it, dogs are allowed here as long as they're on a leash. They have a dog park too at the top of the hill. Sorry, there's people coming the other way, so I had to cut the video short on that clip. But anyway, all I was really going to say after that was, if anything interesting happens, I'll bring you guys back. Otherwise, next thing of me will be at the truck, ready to pull out. Here, I found something interesting to show you guys. This is actually really nice back in here. I actually, someday actually wouldn't mind bringing the cyclone back here. I tell you what I really would like to do. For a number of different reasons. One, I just like winter. But I would actually like to come back here in the middle of winter. You know, like middle of January, February, when it's snowed out. And see what it looks like. So let me talk about something I just saw. So, they have these signs around here in Settlers Ridge. Say, sensitive scenic area, nature area. Basically, something along those lines. Basically, was talking about the plants growing. You know, to try to native plants area that have died. They're trying to bring them back and repopulate the hillsides here with these beautiful native plants in this area. I just think some people trudging right through because they didn't want to walk. Yeah, I understand it's a longer walk zigzagging up the hill like this, but don't be a jag-off about it. Stick to the trail. You know, they're trying to keep people out of those areas for a reason. Don't ruin it for everyone else. You know, be respectful. That's all I'm saying. Alright guys, so we're back at the truck. Wasn't anything else to really talk about or show you, because you already seen it on the way down. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, please like it and subscribe. It helps the channel out and lets me know if you guys like it or not. Anyway, for now, we're going to say goodbye, and until our next adventure.